Aspen Plant Scheduler with Mtell integration provides cutting-edge technologies to your manufacturing plant. Let's start with the planning board. Here you can see 3 LDPE reactor lines and 3 packaging lines in a 2-week time horizon. Each colored box indicates a production activity. Different colors denote different grades. Transition times are denoted with the cross-hatched pattern. Zooming out, we can see the entire 3-month time horizon. Aspen Plant Scheduler has created an optimized schedule that meets all key performance indicators. The notification pane at the bottom of the screen is all green, meaning there are no problems such as missed orders or inventory levels below safety stocks. Of course, schedules need to quickly adapt to real-world circumstances. Here we will go to the predicted failures from Aspen Mtell and insert these into our schedule on the predicted failure date. You can see 3 maintenance requirements, denoted in black, as well as large amounts of notifications at the bottom of the screen. These types of downtimes result in missed orders, cost overruns, and stockout situations, all leading to low levels of customer service. Aspen Plant Scheduler includes powerful sequence optimization tools that allow the plant to absorb downtime with minimum disruption to production targets or customer orders. With the click of the optimization button, Aspen Plant Scheduler considers shipment commitments, shutdown times, and startup and transition times to schedule necessary maintenance in the most efficient manner. The notifications are gone, and our schedule is now realistic and executable while achieving all key performance indicators. To learn more about how Mtell machine learning and optimization with Aspen Plant Scheduler are building the plant of the future, contact supply chain at aspentech.com or visit our website, aspentech.com, for more information.